Myself, Kaushal Bhaskar Kedar. I have started my UPSC dream from when I was in 11th standard. So I have joined the Reliable IAS Academy. It has been 2 months for me, this duration. I have a very good experience here because जब से मैंने UPSC start किया था journey, I have always thought that everyone has told me that Delhi is the main thing that where you should go. But it is not always possible for us. some किसी को financial issues रहते हैं, किसी को कुछ traveling का problems रहता है, किसी को climatic issues रहते हैं. तो वो नहीं ये होता है और मैं इतना fortunate समझता हूँ खुद को कि that moment or that environment I've got here itself in Mumbai, because the faculties that come here, that teach us, are really from Delhi, and they teach us so excellently that they don't only complete the syllabus but also build the interest in us. So it is a very fantastic experience for me, and main thing, everyone has always told me that approach is very important in UPSC, that how to start and how to conclude the UPSC. So the main approach of UPSC I've got in this Delhi faculties have given us this been through very academics like in 10th standard, in 11th standard, and today I'm in this academy. So one thing is that the efforts that this academy takes for us, like let it be the Manohar Patil sir or Rajnikant sir or Amok sir, the efforts they take us to build quality in us, that makes this academy unique, because they want us to become an IAS officer. So it is like feel very fortunate and lucky that I have got such mentors like Manohar Patil sir, because when he scolds us, it is not only his rage or anger, but it's also his unique effort that he's taking us to build a great future in between us. One time I was in a class, we also have that 3 hours lecture and also have 1 hour additional revision for us. So in that revision, sir once scolded me, and he told me about something about his old times, that how he did make himself successful, whatever he is today. So that was the main thing that pushed me towards starting my UPSC journey. So things have nearly changed in me. I've started studying well, and this is the thing that Manohar sir always motivates us in every session, in every revision lecture. He motivates us. He speaks some things that challenges us to become a new me. If you think that there are many academies that focus on advertisement, and there are many academies who just publish themselves, but I can speak very frankly that this academy, I think, is the one you should join, because they really take effort in you. They really take effort in every individual sitting in this class. They not only focus on the first benchers or the toppers, but also focus on the weak people, not in good in studies or not much in studies. So they take every effort in every individual to make themselves a successful person.